In our introduction to the 9 classes of words and phrases in English, we learned that pronouns are used to refer to previously stated nouns. Because many sentences contain more than one noun, our writing or speaking can become confusing if we are too loose with our use of pronouns. Consider the sentence: Molly, Miley, and Maria all looked emaciated, so I cooked them a meal. Them is a plural pronoun, so it refers to Molly, Miley, and Maria together. I cooked a meal for all of them. If I changed them to her, the meal would be for one of the three, but it's not clear which. Usually, if there's one person, place, or thing or idea mentioned several times in a conversation, the pronoun would refer to either the noun that was mentioned more often or more recently. Likewise, if there's a mutual interest between the parties communicating, the pronoun would refer to the noun that we have a common interest in. Consider the statement: the Astros and Rockies played a 3 game series this week. They won 2 games. They in the second sentence is a pronoun which might refer to either of the baseball teams. So we would need to know the context of the conversation in order to determine who they are. If we were already talking about how the Astros were playing this season before that statement, they are probably the ones who won 2 of 3. If these were the first 2 sentences in a conversation between 2 Rockies fans, there would be no conversational context, but our mutual interest in the Rockies would suggest that they had won the series. As communicators, we can make it easier for our listeners if we don't use a pronoun when it's possible for it to refer to more than one noun or groups of nouns. We can save our pronoun usage for a moment where it's easier to understand. Molly, Miley, and Maria all look emaciated, so I cooked Maria a meal. The Astros and Rockies played a 3 game series this week. The Astros won 2 of the games.